who are you when we detach also money from time? Because we're so conditioned to believe that money is attached to time when it's really not. And when we detach it from time, that's when it all comes together. Money is just an exchange system. It's just a tool. It's neither good or bad. We can use a knife to kill someone, or we can use a knife to make a beautiful home-cooked meal that's going to nourish our family, right? So it's also getting rid of all these programmings that we have. Rich people are bad. People with money are greedy. If I have more, I take more from others. Which poor person can give to others? It's not possible. You cannot give when you have nothing to give. So you actually become a better person. Money has made me a better person, right? And when we rewire all those things, then it gets to be a whole different relationship to money, right? Where money is just an energy. Money is just a tool for you to live the life that you desire. Again, who are you when money isn't even a question anymore? Because when you have it, there's no holding on to it, because you know it's unlimited. And so the love of money is actually when we don't have much. I remember when I was struggling, all I could think about was money. Every decision was made based on if I could afford this or not. And the love of money is meant for people who are holding on to it and grasping it. And when does that happen? That happens mostly when we don't have it, right? And another perspective I want to give you that has changed my life, and this is going to free you, especially with the religious stuff and the spiritual stuff. What time do you have to explore your spirituality when you are constantly overworking and stressed out, versus, let's say you had 100 million in the bank and you can just live like a monk if you wanted to, right? So actually, to me, money gives me higher spiritual experiences. It allows me to not work until noon. Usually I don't work until noon. I have my quiet time. I have my time with God. I meditate. It allows me to get a massage that puts me in a higher state of consciousness where I just feel so good. And from that, I attract more. It allows me to go to 5-star resorts where I just feel so free and abundant. And again, that puts me in a higher state of consciousness. And actually, it is a portal. It's a doorway for me to be have higher spiritual experiences. Because when you're in survival, Dr. Joe Dispenza always says, we cannot be in survival and in creation at the same time. We can't. And so I notice when I go into survival mode, I feel completely disconnected from my spirituality. I can't connect God hears me, I'm sure he does, but I can't connect in the same way than when I am lean back and I know I'm taken care of and I know I'm abundant and I just live life the way I want to because I can, because I have the resources. Yeah. I have so much love for all of you, for this space. And I can't wait. If you're not in the Glow Up membership, join us. Join us yearly. You get 50% off currently yearly. I'd love to have you there. I'd love to continue this path, this walk with you. We're in this for long term. And again, same thing. Money allows me to be in groups, in rooms with women who have the mentors that I surround myself with, they just crack me open to any limiting thing that is there. It just vanishes. It's not like we're learning something new. Our soul knows this. We're just being reminded about who we actually are. And this is the work. And we have to surround it. We tend to forget, right? Because the world will always pull us into into lack, into survival. You just tune into the news and you go into survival. So it's important to get ourselves in rooms where we are reminded of our true power, and we are reminded of what's possible and who we get to be and who we can choose to be every single moment of the day. Namrata says, I have been able to give back and do so much for my community. Money is not bad, but how you use it in AQA really helps release that block. Yeah. And we get to expand, and it gets to be better and better and better. I love this community. I love all of you. I love you. Happy Sunday. See you soon.